Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get logged into GradeCam. The first thing I'd like for you to do is go into Google Classroom, and in Google Classroom you can find your 6th grade math Google Classroom. Whether that's core or enriched, it does not matter. These will both look the same. For this video, I am in the core classroom. What I want you to do is go ahead and click on the classwork. In classwork, you will see the class websites. We're going to come down here to GradeCam Access. Click on that, and then we're going to go ahead and click here. It leads us to this page. On this page, you're going to go ahead and sign in and type my first name here, Ethan, and then I'm going to use my last name right here. And then my login code, it's going to be some crazy thing. Good. Type that in, and we will give that login code to you. We're going to click login. All right, now that we are logged in, this is what you will see. Here you have the due soon, and if you look there it is, the 6th grade daily review 1.2. You will see this in math a couple times a week. So you'll have these assignments here. Once you have turned the assignment in, it will come over here to your recently turned in. Your classes will be off to the left. So this is a math class. Let's go ahead and go into the assignment. So we're going to go ahead and click on this assignment here. Okay, now this is the daily review 1.2 for my example. And we're going to go ahead and play around with this here. If you see, there are 2 questions in this daily review, and the questions are right over here. So question number 1, what is the product of 12 and 11? So you can solve that in a notebook, whiteboard, and put your answer in right here, question number 1. Then question number 2, looking here, what is the which of the following is the definition for a factor in math? Select your answer right here. Once you are done, you will go ahead and select turn in.